service to man. There is a third question about being the number 2 diplomat for Kenya, and the Foreign Service Act, and the whole issue of the economy, culture, and trade. We are moving. You know, one of the reasons that Kenya is looked down upon even with visas is because we're a poor economy. You know, if you're poor, people don't take you seriously as much if you're rich. If you're rich, you're taken seriously. And the whole idea is to make our country rich. We want people to know that Kenya can be a land of opportunity. And my job will be able to do what I can. For example, my dream and I would like to work with members of parliament and governors so that I could go out there with my ambassadors if I am approved, and we say as a country that we are going to bring to every county a new factory that will be able to provide jobs to our Kenyans and grow the economy so that we can all grow and make money. Because at the end of the day, it's all about money in the pocket. And we want our people to have more money in the pocket. And that's one of the things that we've said as a government that we would like to be able to do.